The first major mod I want to get done is my solar system installed and up and running. Until now, I've had to rely on my generator, which works great, but it makes noise. You have to put gasoline in it. You have to maintain it, and on like that. So I'm eager to get my solar system in. There's no one size fits all on solar systems. They're all designed to an individual's needs. And you're about to see the one that I've designed for my needs. Let's get started. The core of my system includes 5 100-watt polycrystalline solar panels. I considered the monocrystalline panels also. I just didn't feel like the extra costs were justified for my application. Next is the Maxoak Bluetti EB150. This solar generator will offer me 1500 watt-hours of energy storage and a 1000 watt inverter. Also, the Expert Power Alpha 400. This one will offer me 444 watt-hours of energy storage and a 400 watt inverter. I'll be doing videos on both of these products. The Bluetti will form the core of my electrical system, and as such will not be portable. The Alpha 400 will give me the portability I want while providing pure sine wave energy. Of course, I still have my Ryobi 18-volt inverters, and they're handy, but they have the limitations of a modified sine wave. Here you see the aluminum rail members for an RV solar panel tilt mount kit. 3 of my panels will be installed using this. Of course, the kit includes all of the hardware. 2 of my panels will be installed in the flat using the hardware you see here. This hardware is designed to hold the solar panel 1 inch off of the roof. This prevents the solar panel from overheating. This is a roll of butyl putty tape. I bought this to put under the tilt mounts, but I may use it on the flat brackets as well, since I have it. I also bought 2 tubes of Dicor self-leveling lap sealant. I'll put this on all the screw heads. After layout considerations, I've determined my system will require 1 20-foot power cable, 1 10-foot power cable, and 4 6-foot power cables. One of my panels will be a dedicated panel for the Alpha 400. The other 4 panels will be wired together as 2 groups of 2 panels each wired in series, and then those 2 groups wired together in parallel, using these branch connectors. This is a double cable solar entry gland. It will be installed at the point where the solar cables penetrate the roof into the interior of my home. My solar install will require 2 of these. This is Eternabond tape. I'm going to use this to secure the cables to the roof so they don't flop around. I also bought the roller so I can roll it on. Because my system will be roof mounted, I bought power cables that have connectors only on one end, with the other end bare. This allows them to penetrate through the gland. Once the cables reach the interior of my home, I'll attach the connectors myself using this solar crimper toolkit. Because I want the Bluetti to be continuously available to provide power to my house battery smart charger, I'll also have to install this 15-amp weatherproof outdoor power outlet.